Who's ready for a little shopping haul? If you watched Wednesday's video, I shared with you guys that I was gonna have an upcoming haul. That is what is happening today. I did get a couple of things at the mall. I got a pair of shoes, I got a pair of jeans. I also ordered a few things. That is what I'm gonna share with y'all today. I've got 2 handbags, 3 pair of shoes, and then like I said, 1 pair of jeans to share with you. I'm super excited about all of it, so make sure to stay to the end because the handbags are seriously like amazing. I'm super excited about them. Let's go ahead and jump into the pair of jeans and the shoes that I picked up while I was at the mall. First up is a pair of Edelman Sneakers. As you can see, I definitely don't need any more sneakers, but I like having options when it comes to sneakers, and I just thought these were so cute. I love all the different texture in them. These have the like almost like a snake print tongue. You got suede right here at the cap. You've got this crackled leather, and then you've got the solid leather on the heel part. Just such a cute shoe. Super comfortable, and I think I went true to, no, I went down. I went to a 6 in these, so I went down half a size in these, but I will most likely not wear them with socks. So love these. Really glad that I found those. I also got a pair of jeans. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these because I really wanted to focus on the luxury items for today's video, but I did buy these. I will pop on a picture of me wearing them. These are from Madewell. I ended up going with a size, I think I got a 26 in these. Yes, I got a 26 petite. So they're really cute. They're a high rise. Let's see how they're described. They're described as a 10-inch high rise skinny. I loved the black wash. It's been a long time since I found a cute pair of black jeans. I thought these were great. They fit really nicely, and yeah, so I had to go ahead and grab them, and I'm always on the hunt for anything in a petite length because I am on the shorter side. So yes, these are so cute. So let's go ahead and dive into the good stuff, and the first pair of shoes that I want to share with you guys are from Fendi. I am so excited about these. I actually ended up trying these on in store, but I had already ordered them. I wasn't going to tell you that in the vlog, and I don't even think did I show these in the vlog? I don't know. I don't remember if I showed these in the vlog or not, but I was glad that I kind of confirmed that I had ordered the right size. At least I think they are the right size. I'm going to try them on once more. I haven't even opened them from the box. I'm so excited. They are the perfect like fall flat. They are these Fendi Flats. They are so cute. I really liked the nude color combo as well. I could definitely see grabbing those eventually. Those would be perfect for spring and summer. I thought this color combo was perfect for fall, especially since I don't wear a lot of black. This is a really good way to add black, but you've still got that like touch of brown. So I did go with a 36.5, which is my true to size. Let me see if I can give you a little. And I think they fit really nicely. So they are mesh, so keep that in mind. I live in a warmer climate, so I think I'm going to be able to get away with these for fall. Maybe not so much for winter, but I think I will be able to get away with these for fall, even though they are a mesh kind of, you know, sheer material. I think that wearing these will give that fall vibe, but not be like hot on my feet. So I love these. I think they're so pretty, right? I love them. I think they're so nice. But like I said, I love the nude color as well. So you're gonna be seeing these a ton this fall. I hope they're comfortable. I hope like they wear in really nicely because you never know. You never know when it comes to shoes. And the next pair of shoes that I have to share with you guys are Louboutin. I have not opened this box either at all. So again, I haven't tried them on, so I have no idea if they fit me or not. You've got all of the packaging. I mean, you can basically tell what they are just because of the size of the box. I saw these online, and I hunt for these every single year. I had like to take a little double take because, like I said, I hadn't opened the box. For a second, I thought they sent me the wrong color. I've been on the hunt for this style of shoe every year around this time, but I am really picky about the ones that I want, and these were perfect. The shoes that I ordered are these suede knee-high boots in the 100 size. I was looking for a 100 size. A lot of times the boots will come in 80 or 90, and I wanted 100. I also wanted a chocolate brown or a tan, and these were, and it's got a full zipper here with a little bit of stretch, and then you've got kind of a rounded pointed toe. It's not an almond, it's a point, but like a rounded point. So I just feel like this is one of those shoes that is not gonna go out of style. It is a classic knee-high boot, and like I said, I've been on the hunt for these every single year. I ended up getting these in a size 37. I also want a booty version of something like this, and they just don't come out with a lot of boot options, and most of the ones that they do come out with are black, and I just don't wear that much black. So I want brown or I want tan, and I especially love the suede. But look at how beautiful these are. Oh, they're so pretty. And then, yeah, oh, are they not so stunning? I will try them on and I will let you guys know down below the sizing. So like I said, I ordered these in a 37. I just need to try them on and see if they fit. I really, really hope that they do. And the last two items that I want to share are handbags, and they both happen to be from FARFETCH. It's so funny because over the last week or two, I've had several people reach out to me asking for a new coupon code. They do send me a coupon code every quarter or every other month. I do have another one for you guys. I always like sharing coupon codes, especially when you can save on luxury. So I'll put the coupon code on the screen. I'll also put it down below. I also wanted to just answer probably the biggest question that I get asked whenever I share FARFETCH, and that is if things are brand new or pre-loved. Everything that I've ever bought from FARFETCH has been brand spanking new, tag still attached. So FARFETCH is actually just a liaison between the consumer and the boutique. They're able to provide extra discounts and just sometimes a little bit of savings off of retail, not only just through the actual price of the item, but through things like the coupon codes. In regards to the coupon codes, I know that a lot of times you guys say that the coupon codes don't work. So the coupon code that I'm sharing is for brand new customers. However, if you open up a new account with a new email, you can use that code. So I definitely recommend that it's worth it. So if you've already made a purchase through FARFETCH, unfortunately this coupon code is not gonna work. But if you open up a brand new account with a brand new email, so whether you have a second email or you can use like your spouse's email or your best friend's email, whatever it is, if you open up a new account with a new email address, you can then use the coupon code. There are a few brands that you're not able to use the coupon code with, but it's just a handful. Most of the stuff, especially most of the stuff that I usually share with you guys, you can use for the coupon code. I know the two bags that I'm sharing with you guys, you can save 10%. I definitely recommend opening up a new account with a new email if you've already made your purchase and use the coupon code for past purchases. But let's go ahead and dive into this first little handbag. So I just have to say, I have to give a little credit to one of my recent buys, and that is the Ysl Nikki Bag. If you follow me here before, if you're not new to my channel, if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love that bag. That bag was definitely an inspiration for the two handbags that I'm gonna share with you guys. I have fallen in love with that bag. Not only the size and the shape and just everything about that bag, but also the suede. I love it. I don't think I have loved a bag as much as I love that one in a very, very long time. Like, so much so I do plan on getting that bag in another color. That's how good it is. And I don't typically do that. Like, I cannot remember the last time I bought one bag in two colors. It just doesn't really happen, but that one is just that good. So these two bags were definitely inspired by that purchase because I loved it so much. And this first one is so much fun, you guys. As you can see, it is by YSL, and this one did come from FARFETCH. And the bag is, I don't know what this one is called, but it is like the round camera bag. It is so cute in this gorgeous suede color. You've got gold hardware. It is definitely super, super simple. It gives that kind of boho, but also there's something kind of vintage about it. I love it. Do you see the detail of the YSL? It's got like a twisted rope detail, and it's really simple. There's nothing on the back. The inside is just a black cloth, and then there is one little slip pocket back here that you could hold like cash or a couple of cards if you want to, but otherwise it's just a really small, simple bag. The strap is not adjustable. You cannot adjust the strap, and you cannot remove the strap either. So you basically can wear it on the shoulder or crossbody, of course, but I am so excited to style this and wear this. I think it's so much fun. You've also got the tassel like zipper there, It's just such a adorable bag. And like I said, that Nikki bag and that suede really has just inspired me, and I just really fell in love with this one, and I thought this would be a great option when I want something a lot smaller and just only to wear a crossbody. So I think this one is so cute. I can already picture it with like even like a fun floral dress and booties, and then this. I just think it's so cute. And the last handbag that I want to share with you guys, you can see it is another Saint Laurent bag. Again, this one was totally inspired by my Nikki bag. I actually shared this handbag with you guys, I think about a month ago, when I was sharing other options similar to my YSL Nikki bag. Like, it's not similar in the fact that it's a similar bag, but it gives similar vibes, that kind of fall, effortless, just kind of fall vibes, right? And that this one definitely just caught my eye. I just kind of had to have it. So you can see it's definitely on the smaller side, and I will be wearing this one crossbody as well. It also reminds me of my Pochette Matisse, and that is this one right here. So this one is two-toned, mixed media, I guess you would say. So you've got the suede, but you've also got the leather piping. You've also got like the antique gold hardware. You've got one pocket in the back here. There is no magnet or anything. It's just a slip pocket here in the back. You open it by doing the little L, just like that, and then let's see, there you go, it pops open. So you've got the flap here. I haven't even played around with this bag at all. So you've got two compartments, one here, one in the back, and then you've got a little slip compartment back there. So it definitely is on the smaller side. It's smaller than the Pochette Matisse, but I think it'll be able to fit all of my essentials. The bag strap cannot be removed. You can see it's still got the tape and stuff on it, but it is adjustable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. And then you've got the gold hardware right there. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Like I said, the YSL Nikki bag that I have in the suede, it really opened my eyes to how much I love a good suede bag. This one, just like this bag, gives me boho vibes, but also almost antique vibes. Like, I just feel like this silhouette, this kind of like accordion fold, like satchel type of bag, is very old school. I remember my mom even having bags similar to this, timeless, and I just think it's so cute. I think this one comes in other sizes. I cannot remember. I'll make sure to put all of the details down below. I'll link this exact bag down below, as well as the coupon code that you can use to save 10% on it. But I'm pretty sure this one comes in different sizes. I think, I could be wrong, I think this is the medium. Let me know which handbag is your favorite. Do you like the round YSL or the satchel YSL? I love that these suedes are two different tones. I just think these are so pretty and perfect for fall. As always, I'll make sure to link everything down below, and don't forget to open up a new email for FARFETCH to save 10% on these handbags and anything else that you purchase on farfetch.com. Everything will be linked down below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. I hope you decide to stick around and hit that subscribe button. Before you head out though, make sure to check out one of these, and I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene.